Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the flip discoloration animations to the captions of your video in CapCut PC. So first, just import your clips and create the captions. And if you haven't created the caption, you can easily use the auto captions by going to tags and click on the auto caption, then just click on create. So here I've already created mine, and what you need to do to add the flip discoloration animation is just select all of the captions. So here select an on track, and here go to the animations tab at the top right corner. Click on the captions section, and in here there are so many options that you can choose, but if you want to add the flip this coloration, just click on this on the bottom, flip this coloration. So just download it first and click on the animation to apply it to
Here's how
your
it works.
clips.
Here's how it works. I'm going
Okay,
to
so
ask you a
after that
question.
your
You can either
captions
choose
will
to
look
answer
like
that question.
this now with the flip discoloration
You can either
animation,
choose to
this
answer that
one.
question or sample.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment, click on the thanks, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.